I have an update on the freaky flashing light phenomena from all around the world. This too is happening in both the northern and southern hemispheres, eastern and western. We are at 433 different locations here in the United States. Just over 1,100 videos have been sent in of this phenomena that's sweeping the earth. Guys, there's something going on. Check this out. Video sent in by Stephanie Jackson out of Memphis, Tennessee, goes back to April 12th of 2025. Less than 2 weeks ago, she came across this apartment complex in Memphis, Tennessee. Check out all of the malfunctioning lights all over the property. On this building here, and we're just getting started. Check this out. This building over here, there they are. This building over here to the left, on both the upper and lower levels. You've got to be kidding me. And this is trying to be downplayed as defective equipment. Are you kidding me? The bees are sensing something. Whales are sensing something. This is not a side effect of defective equipment. Something is causing the equipment to malfunction. What is that something? That strange noise we just heard in the power lines? Watch what happens next. This next segment has narration. Video number 2. Here we go.
All right, MrMBB333. This is the same place that I came 3 days ago on Monday. And now I'm coming back. Now, this time around, I found another one. I was just told about this one. So there are actually 3 blinking lights. All right, amigo, take care.
Thank you, Tony. Great report out of Mesa, Arizona. This next video is out of New Brunswick, Canada. Again, this is happening all over the world.
Sorry for the short upgrade video, but this is for MBB333. And I'm running because I have to go get my phone upstairs. But we got a blinking light phenomenon. This is my neighbor. She would probably be getting ready for work. So she's probably in there. But she wouldn't be doing this. And it just stopped. Anyways, that was really weird.
Thank you for the video, Kate. Once again, out of New Brunswick, Canada. There's something going on that's sweeping the earth. Lights are trying to tell us there's something going on as they're flashing, malfunctioning on a very large scale all around the world. Here's one of the weirdest examples I think I've seen yet, or at least it ranks right up there. Check this out. Video sent in from Little Elm, Texas by Mark from 4/17 of 2025. Look at the sign over there. And it's in sync with this tall light right there, kind of. There's 2 lights over here malfunctioning, and then the bank sign. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? That's definitely a first. Have not seen a bank sign with dancing letters. Unbelievable. And it's not just the sign. Again, there's lights over here off to the right that are malfunctioning as well. Excellent video by Mark out of Texas.